2023 Chevy Silverado HD 2500 Beast. Look at that, 6.6 liter horse. Boom, boom. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there, factory converter there, third converter there. So it's got 3 converters on it. Then what we did is put a MAGNAFLOW, part number 12867. Right there, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. We have to add sleeves on each side to make it fit. Then it continues with 3-inch out the back. And we put a massive 6-inch tip to complete the look. There's a factory huge muffler you can make into a barbecue like thing. It's huge, look at that. Sucker's huge. And then the pipe was there. There was no tip on it, so yeah. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I like it. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Again. 104. Again. Go ahead and back it up. That's nice. That's perfect. If you guys don't want a lot of drone, go with the MAGNAFLOW. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Look at this thing. It's massive. Massive 6.6 liters of power. With a MAGNAFLOW and a 6-inch tip. 3-inch system. Oh yeah. Enjoy, guys. We smoke.